Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be sharing valuable tips on training your dog using positive reinforcement techniques in a safe and effective manner. First and foremost, it is important to create a safe environment for your dog to learn and thrive. Make sure the training area is free from distractions and potential hazards. This will help your dog focus and feel comfortable during the training sessions. Next, use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, and toys to reward good behavior. This will help motivate your dog to repeat the desired actions. Remember to be consistent and patient as training takes time and practice. When teaching new commands, start with simple tasks and gradually increase the difficulty level. Break down the training into small steps and celebrate each success along the way. This will boost your dog's confidence and strengthen your bond. Additionally, consider your dog's individual personality and preferences when designing the training plan. Some dogs may respond better to food rewards, while others may prefer playtime as a motivator. Tailor the training approach to best suit your dog's needs. In conclusion, training your dog using positive reinforcement techniques in a safe environment is a rewarding experience for both you and your furry friend. With patience, consistency, and love, you can help your dog reach their full potential and build a strong, trusting relationship. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel.